Here's our late model, unique, especially in classics. If you watch our website or our videos, you know once in a while we'll get a good customer that will ask us if we will represent one of their newer model cars. So here it is. It's a 2016 Chevrolet Impala, and a low mile car, just a little over 21,000 miles on this one. Is all silver metallic, as you can see. Of course, it has a 3.6 liter dual overhead cam V6 underneath the hood. Let's take a look at the front fascia, grille. It's what you'd expect with a car with this kind of miles on it. Now remember, this car will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can check out all the still pictures. You'll be able to see it just like our other vehicles that we represent. Pictures underneath the hood, engine bay, interior, unique, classiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And the phone number to call, 507-386-1726. Ebony interior. Of course, automatic with overdrive transmission. Shifter on the center console. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation no matter where you're at in the continental United States. This is an LT package, as you can see by the badging on the deck lid. Rear parking assist. So all the standard equipment that you're going to get on an Impala LT. Take your time, look through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, you'll see the interior, undersides, trunk, engine bay, and you can see it's not full of nicks, dings, chip scratches. Take a look at the rear seating area. Nice roomy sedans, no doubt about that. Rear seating area looks like new. And let's go and check out the interior. I'm going to start this up. There's your exact miles first off. 21,926. And we don't have to listen to the door chime. But of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat over here on the driver's side. As you can see, the seating area, again, what you'd expect with a car with this kind of miles on it and this age. Steering wheel controls for cruise and also for driver's information center. The other side. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that on. All is good there. Infotainment system, of course, dual electronic climate control. See if I can get the hood open one-handed here. We'll take a peek at the engine bay and wrap this video up. There it is. Variable valve timing. Then V6 dual overhead cam. Nice clean hood liner. Doesn't look like this thing's really been driven any sort of inclement weather. Nice and clean and tidy. 2016 Chevrolet Impala LT sedan. 21,926 for miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right to our website. Remember, this car does come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2016 Chevrolet Impala. This is an automatic on the center console. Feels like a new Impala. It's only got 21,923 miles on it according to the dash. All our gauges are working properly. AC works good.
It's time for an update here on the Linder.
Stereo's working good. Multi-directional power leather seats, very comfortable. Very quiet ride. Very smooth, no bumps, no jiggles. Perfectly aligned. Let go of the wheel and it just stays perfectly straight. Very clean car. Good car for reliable transportation. With some automakers not even making cars anymore, it's one of the cars that is not SUVs that's still nice and new. 21,000 miles on this 2016 Chevrolet Impala. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.